Hi, hello बच्चों, welcome back to my channel मैथ से लगे रहो. In today's class we will see integration 6 marks, property number 5. What they had asked you see here, integration a to b f of x into dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. So this property is called as what in maths? King formula we will say. What we will call this as? King formula. In the previous video we have seen that is a queen formula. Now this is king formula. How to solve this king formula we will see. So first let us consider your RHS first. What is your RHS dear students? RHS means right hand side. Right hand side means this side. Left hand side this is that. So RHS you take integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx dear students. This is your RHS we have considered. So now how to solve this one you see. So we will consider it as what here we will put t is equal to a plus b minus x. Let us put what? T is equal to a plus b minus x as t dear students. In integration you know that in previous video we have discussed. So in integration whatever we will consider no t is equal to, so that should be what taken as a derivative. हम integration में t क्या तो put करते हैं ना, put value करते हैं t is equal to, उसका derivative लेना पड़ता है बच्चों. So now ನಾವಾಗಲೇ ಏನಾದರೂ t is equal to ಅಂತ integration ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ derivative ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So now we have to take the derivative because we are putting the t is equal to a plus b minus x. So now you take the derivative of this. Derivative of with respect to x, dt by dx you will get with respect to x because variables are different. T is different, x is different means differential operator will join. So derivative of a is 0. Derivative of b, a and b are constants. Derivative of b is also 0 because both are constant. Constant derivative is 0. Derivative of x is 1. So minus is there, minus I wrote. So minus is written, derivative of x is 1 dear students. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 dear students. So dx you send that side. dt is equal to dx into minus 1 minus dx. Clear everyone? Understanding everyone now? Very easiest question it is. So now minus I can take this side. So what it will become you see. Minus if you take this side. Minus dt is equal to dx. Will you agree everyone? So now we have to check the interval whether they will change or not. How to check the interval you see. First you see this is the lower limit. This is what? B is the upper limit. Lower limit is a, upper limit is what? B dear students. Now let us check with the lower limit. When x is equal to how much? A, lower limit. T will become what? So how to understand T, where it is T? T we have only considered a plus b minus x. So now you are putting x is equal to a in what? T. So what you will get you see? A plus b as it is I will write. What is the value of x? X value is what? A. So it will become here minus x, no? Minus a it will become. Understood? So x value इसमें डाल दिए. X value अन्ना इधर ले हाथ कर देने. So now plus a minus a get cancelled. T is equal to how much you will get? B. Understood? T value has become B. So now lower limit a has become what? B or not? So similarly upper limit also we check. When x is equal to b dear students, what will happen? T is equal to what? A plus b is as it is. Minus I will write as it is. What is the x value? Upper limit is b. So you put here in this x. B I will put. So what you will get? Plus b minus b get cancelled. So t value will become how much? T is equal to a dear students. Clear everyone? Understood? So now RHS what it will become we will see. We will substitute the values in RHS. So therefore RHS is equal to, now try to understand. Lower limit x is equal to a has become what? B or not? So lower limit a has become b here. Correct? A value has become what? B or not? So A value has become B, lower limit. So now see, upper limit B. Upper limit B has become what? A or not? A you substitute here. So now f of A plus B minus x. F of A plus B minus x. A plus B minus x is taken as what? T or not? A plus B minus x is taken as what? T. So I will substitute here T into dx is there. Into dx is there, and dx value is what, dear students? Can you see here? Dx is equal to how much? Minus dt. So dx value has become what? Minus dt, dear students. Clear everyone? Everyone are understanding? I hope it is clear. So now see here, how to solve the next step. So now see, in property number 2, I had already told you, dear students. Property number 2. Property number 2 says what? If you change the interval, so sign will changes, dear students. आप इंटरवल को चेंज किया ना, उसका साइन बदलता है. माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. क्लियर? ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಬದಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ದಟ್. ಸೊ a to b integration f of t into dt. So now what I am saying, the property I will write you. If you don't know the property number 2, please go through the video of first one. You will understand. So 6 marks first video you see. There I had solved. Integration a to b f of x and integration b to a minus f of x into dx. So this is the property, says, dear students. A to b, if you interchange the intervals, can you see? In b place a has gone, in a place b has came. You are interchanging the intervals here. If you interchange means sign will changes here, minus. This is the property number 2, says, dear students. So now here also I will change. Here what I will change? This is what? B to a, dear students. So if I change the interval, what will happen now? B to a, I will write it as what? A to b now. A to b means minus sign will come. Already one minus is there. So minus sign comes means what? Minus into minus plus. Clear? So f of t dt, dear students. Understood this? Everyone? So now see. Property number 1 says what? You know? Integration a to b f of t f of x into dx is equal to integration a to b f of t into dt, dear students. This is the property number 1 says. What the difference is there, you know? In place of x we can put t, or in place of t I can put as what? X. So there is no change, he will say. Understood? Property number 1 says that only. So now see here, in place of t I can put x or not. Integration a to b f of t is what? X into dx. And you see your LHS is this only or not? LHS is what? This only. So RHS is equal to LHS, means this is our proof, dear students. Here we will end. This is for your understanding purpose I had written these two formulas. So actually these are not required. So I will erase this. So I hope you understood, dear students. Everyone, this clear? King formula is very easy. So easily you can get the marks here, dear students. So based on this property, we will see the problems how they will ask in exam, dear students. Please copy this one. We will see the problems on this. I hope all of you have copied, dear students, property. Now let us see the problems on based on King formula. How they are asking. Try to understand, my dear students. In exam he will not ask only property. He will ask what? These problems also, dear students. He will ask what, you know? Prove that. Just now I had written no. Integration of a to b f of x into dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. And hence evaluate. Hence evaluate, he will ask like this question. Then only will get what? 6 marks, dear students. Try to understand what I am saying. So which problems will come in exam? I am solving all whichever are there no related to this king formula. We will solve here, dear students. So now this is the one of the important question which has came in exam, board exam, dear students. So now see how to solve this one by using king formula. King formula you know very well. So I will write here integration a to b f of x into dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. So this is the property says, dear students. Clear? In the place of x, what we have to put? A plus b minus x. It is same to same only. Just you have to replace by what? X by a plus b minus x. Clear? So now how to solve this problem we will see. So first you give the name for this. I is equal to what? Integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 is equal to what? That is 1 upon 1 plus square root tan x into dx. I hope all of you are understood. This I am saying it as what? I had given the name for the equation, dear students. So now how to solve this one you see. So root tan x बचपन से भी पढ़ते हैं ना. Tan x is what? Tan x I will write, dear students. Tan x you will write like this or not? So tan x we can write it as what? Sin x by what? Cos x, dear students. So tan x we can write it as what? Sin by cos. Tan x is. Got it? So I can write here also. But it is here what? Root it is, dear students. So root को कैसा लिखते हैं हम? Pi by 6 and this is pi by 3 integration. So 1 upon square root tan x is there. Square root tan x I can write it as what? So square root sin x divided by square root cos x I can write. Will you agree everyone? Yes or no? Square root sin x divided by square root cos x is nothing but square root tan x, dear students. So now cross multiply here. What you will get? Cross multiply you. So you will get here, see, observe very carefully. Root, see here, I will write this numerator as it is. See, root cos x into 1, take LCM. Root cos x into 1 is root cos x plus root, how much? Sin x whole divided by what? Root cos x, dear students. If you take reciprocal this root cos x will go up, dear students. If you take reciprocal, आप reciprocal लिए ना, root cos x ऊपर जाता है. So ನೀವು reciprocal ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ root cos x ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So now I is equal to, I can write like this, integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 root cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x, dear students. Will you agree? I will call this as equation number 1. Understood? So this is only our f of x, you think. This is only f of x. Correct? F of x is what? Root cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x, dear students. This is our equation number 1 and this is only middle part is called as f of x. So what king formula is told? F of x you replace by what? F of a plus b minus x. What is a here? A is what? Can you observe this and this? A is pi by 6. B is what? Pi by 3. So now you have to substitute in this. So now how to solve this? See. Pi by 6 integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 root. So now see, x place what you have replaced? A plus b minus x. A is what? Wherever x is there you have to substitute there. What? A plus b minus x. A is what? A is what? Pi by 6 plus b is pi by 3. Sorry, dear students. Minus x into dx whole divided by square root of cos pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x plus wherever x is there, no? Wherever x is there, you have to replace by what? Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 minus x. जहां x है ना उधर क्या रिप्लेस करना है? a plus b minus x. a का वैल्यू पाई बाई 6 है, b का वैल्यू पाई बाई 3 और माइनस x है, माइनस x लिखा. वेर x है ना उधर ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು a plus b minus x ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. got it? Here also x is there. Sin a plus b pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. This is our what now? F of a plus b minus x. So now dear students observe pi by 6 pi by 3 you think. So how much you will get, you know? Pi by 6 pi by 3. So means LCM you see, take this simplification I will show you. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 means LCM is how much? 6 and 3. LCM is what? 6 only. 6 you will get. Now see, 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. See, 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Correct? 1 into pi, 2 into pi, 2 pi. How much you got? Pi plus 2 pi, 3 pi by 6, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. That means pi by 2. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 value is how much? Pi by 2 you will get, dear students, after simplification. Clear? So I will erase this all below. So this is not required actually, for your understanding purpose I have written. I hope you are understanding, dear students. So if you are understanding, please like the channel. So don't forget to like the channel, dear students. So now cos pi by 6 plus pi by 3, how it has become? Pi by 2 minus x into dx whole divided by cos pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is pi by 2 minus x plus same only sin pi by 2 minus x. I can write pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is pi by 2. Don't get confused. So now see how much you will get this answer. You see, integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 root cos 90 minus x sin x whole divided by cos 90 minus x sin x. ये तो बचपन से ही पढ़ रहे हैं आप, याद है ना? cos 90 minus x is sin x. So now sin 90 minus x क्या होता है? cos x. Sin 90 minus x is cos x. I'll call this as equation number 2. So please copy this one. So we'll continue in this side. Please copy this one. Clear? I hope all of you have copied. We will go through the continue the answer, dear students. So now what I will do, equation 1 and equation 2 you got. So you add them both. So adding equation 1 and 2, dear students. Adding equation 1 and 2. So now equation 1 and 2 you see. LHS LHS. Can you see? I plus I 2y. I plus I is 2y. Both are having integration same. Pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3. So it is common. So common you can take pi by 6 to pi by 3. I will take as it. So both are having denominator same or not? Equation 1 na equation 2 you see. Root sin x plus root cos x. Root sin x plus root cos x. When denominators are same, dear students, numerator should be added. When denominators are same, what? Numerator should be added, dear students. So you can add them. Numerator root sin x plus root cos x. Yeah, root cos x plus root sin x. However you write, between it is a plus sign. Whichever you take front, it does not matter. Denominator I will write same. Root sin x plus root cos x into dx. Will you agree or not? This one you see. Why I am doing, you understood? नीचे का डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का सेम है, न्यूमरेटर को ऐड किए उतना ही. ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ this will get cancelled. Both are same. What you are left with? You are left with only one, dear students. Only what? One. This is pi by 6. Don't get confused. This is pi by 6. Now here you are left with 1. Integration of 1 x intervals are what? Pi by 3, pi by 6. Understood? Now you will substitute in this x value. First you have to substitute what? Integration of 1 is x. Interval you have to substitute upper limit. Upper limit is what? Pi by 3. Pi by 3 you substitute. When you are substituting pi by 6, no. So that time you have to write minus sign here. So minus and you substitute now. Pi by 6. How much you will get, you see? See here, pi by 3 means how much? Pi by 3 means 60. And pi by 6 is how much? 30. 60 में 30 गए तो कितना? 60 minus 30 is 30 or not? So 30 means what? Pi by 6. Understood? 60 minus 30 is 30. 30 means pi by 6. So you take that side. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, how much? 12. This is our required answer, my dear students. I hope you have understood. So if you are understanding, please like and subscribe my channel. So don't go anywhere. We'll solve one more problem. Fine? Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next problem, dear students, again. Based on the king formula only, this also came, dear students. So now see here, how to solve this one. First you give the name for this. Let I is equal to what? 0 to pi by 2 log 2 log sin x log sin 2x into dx. We have given the name for this, dear students. Everyone understood? So now see how to solve this one. Can you remember in differentiation we have solved many questions. Log a raised to b is what? Log a raised to b is b log a. I used to write or not? So this is looking like b log a, dear students. B log a. B log a. B log a means what? Log a raised to b or not? So b is what here? You compare with this. B is what? 2. A is what? Sin x. Understood? So log a raised to b means what? A is what here? Sin x, no? Log sin x. Sin x raised to 2 means sin square x, dear students. Log sin square x. So it will become like this. Log sin x raised to 2 means square, if you take inside sin square x, it will become. Understood? So clear everyone now? I hope it is clear for everyone. So now see here. Sin 2x. Sin 2x formula, dear students, in inverse trigonometry. Sin 2x we have a formula 2 sin x into cos x, dear students. I am using the formula of trigonometry. First year also you have learned. In inverse trigonometry also we are using this formula. Sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x, dear students. So sin 2x I can write it as log of 2 sin x into cos x into dx. Clear everyone? So now how to solve this one, you observe. This is cos x. Now see, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log. Can you see? Log a minus log b. We are having again formula. Log a minus log b. We have a formula log a by b, dear students. Log a minus log b is what? Log a by b, dear students. What is log a here? A is sin square x. B is what? 2 sin x into cos x. Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b means what? Log a by b. A is what? Sin square x. B is what? 2 sin x into cos x. I am using this formula. A is nothing but sin square x. Sin square x I wrote here. And b is what? B 2 sin x into cos x divided by 2 sin x into cos x. Log a by b. ऐसा ही दिख रहा है ना, log a minus log b, log a by b. a का मतलब ही sin square x है, b का मतलब 2 sin x into cos x है. ಇದು ಈ ತರನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ log a minus log b ಗತೆ. ಸೊ log a minus log b ಅಂದ್ರೆ log a by b ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು sin square x. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin square x, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin x into cos x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು sin square x, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin x into cos x. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಚಂಪಾಗೆ ನೀ सबको ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So next step you see what we'll do. 1 sin x will get cancelled. So what you are left with now? 0 to pi by 2. See here. Log sin x divided by cos x is what? Sin x divided by cos x is tan x divided by 2. Understood or not? This one you see. Everyone clear? Understood? Log a by b is there. 1 sin x will get cancelled. Sin x by cos x is tan x divided by 2 will remain. Log a by b, just now you have told log a by b is what? You only told no? Log a minus log b is what? Log a by b. So log a by b I can write it as log a minus log b. A is what? Tan x integration 0 to pi by 2. So now see here. Log tan x log a by b का मतलब log a minus log b. Log a minus log a divided by 2. Log a value is tan x, b is 2. Log a minus log b. A का मतलब tan x. Log tan x I will write minus log 2 into dx. Understood or not? See, b is nothing but 2. Clear? So now see, 0 to pi by 2 integration of 0 to pi by 2 log tan x. This minus I can take up. Here it will become plus. Here nothing is there means minus 1. b log a I will write. Log a raised to b or not. Here nothing is there means 1 will be there. This minus 1 I am taking up. So that's why this has become plus. Understood or not? I am saying like this, dear students. It is looking like this. So b log a means what? Log a raised to b or not? 2 raised to minus 1. And here what will remain? Plus sign will remain because minus is taken up. Understood everyone? Minus is taken upside up. That's why it will become plus here. Log 2 raised to minus 1 you take up minus 1. Nothing is there means minus 1 will be there. I mean 1 will be there. Here minus is there, that's why minus 1. Clear now everyone? So understood this sum. So now see, I will simplify this one. I will erase below, dear students. I hope you have copied this formula. Actually these are not required to write in final exam. Just for your understanding purpose formulas are written. I will erase, dear students. Due to space is not there, I am sorry for that. Don't mind, please. So now see here, what will happen? So I is equal to. So what will happen? You see, this is I is equal to. Don't get confused. Light is reflecting on this. This is I is equal to. Otherwise, I will write this side. Wait. Otherwise, you will get confused there. I will write here. Now it is clear. So 0 to pi by 2 integration. I am applying for this. 0 to pi by 2 is applied for log tan x. Log tan x I will write. Log tan x into dx I can take. Dx also I can take inside. Clear everyone? Log tan x. Dx so I have multiplied inside. Both I am multiplying. Integration 0 to pi by 2 for this and dx also. So same is applied for this also. Plus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 raised to minus 1 into dx. So now see what will happen. I will call this 2 raised to 1 by 2 raised to minus 1 is there? No, I can write it as 1 by 2, dear students. 1 by 2 means 2 raised to minus 1 only. Clear? 2 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2, dear students. So now see what I will do. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 So log tan x I will write as this into dx. So log 1 by 2 means it's a constant. Constant I can take it out or not. This is log 1 by 2. Constant it is, dear students. Constant I can take it out. Constant I will take it out. Log 1 by 2. What you are left with? Integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. Understood? So now see. 0 to pi by 2 log tan x into dx plus log 2 as is integration of 1 is x, dear students. Integration of 1 is x. So now pi by 2 0. Understood everyone? I hope it is clear. Integration of 1 is what? X. Pi by 2 to 0. Now you substitute the value. What will get? You see 0 to pi by 2 log tan x into dx plus pi by 2 I will substitute here there. Log half I will write as is. Pi by 2 you substitute. Upper limit I am substituting. Lower limit when you are substituting you have to write minus sign, minus 0. So now how much you got? 0 to pi by 2 log tan x into dx. Pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 into how much? Log half. 1 by 2. Clear? So pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 into this is log 1 by 2. I will call this as equation number 1, dear students. So please copy this. So we'll continue. This side you copy. I will continue here only. Fine. So because space is not there, I am sorry for that. I will ask sorry. मैं माफी मांग रहा हूँ आपसे. हाँ? Please copy this. Now we will continue the answer. I hope you have copied this one. So now see here. This is equation 1. So I is equal to, I will apply King formula for this. 0 to pi by 2. King formula what it says? A plus b minus x. X you have to replace by what? X you have to replace by a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x means a is 0, b is what? Pi by 2. You replace that. 0 to pi by 2 log what? Tan a is 0, b is pi by 2 minus x. X you are replacing by, x you have replaced by what? A plus b minus x plus pi by 2 log 1 by 2 as is. This is written as is. Okay. So now what will happen now? See. 0 to pi by 2 log tan 0 plus pi by 2 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Tan 90 minus x is what? Cot x, dear students. Tan 90 minus x is what? Cot x plus pi by 2 log 1 by 2. Clear? So now see. I will call this as equation number 2. I will adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. What will happen now? See, add them. 1 is here. 1 is equation 1 is this. So I plus I, 2i, 0 to pi by 2 log tan x into dx. Log tan x into dx. Both are having 0 to pi by 2 same only. I will add together log cot x into dx. Dx 0 to pi by 2 is same only. So that's why dx is taken common. Here 0 to pi by 2. And this is what? Pi by 2 log 2 plus pi by 2 log 1 by 2 plus pi by 2 log 1 by 2. How much it will become? 2 pi by 2 log 1 by 2. Will you agree everyone? 2 get cancelled here. So now what will get? You see. Log A plus log B. Log A plus log B formula is what you know, dear students? Log A plus log B. Log A into B. tan x into cot x. A is tan x, B is cot x. Log A into B means tan x into cot x into dx plus pi log 1 by 2. Clear? Pi log 1 by 2. So now how much you will get this one, you see. So log tan x, cot reciprocal is what? Cot x reciprocal is 1 by tan x. Will you agree? So and this is what you will get. See here, pi is as it is. Log 1 by 2. So now see, tan x get cancelled. Log 1 value is how much? Log 1 value is 0, dear students. Log 1 value is 0. 0 integration is 0. How much you are left with? Pi log 1 by 2. So final answer, if you take 2 this side, 0 plus pi is a pi only, you know, pi log 1 by 2. 2 if you take pi by 2 log 1 by 2, dear students. So this is our required answer. I hope you have understood this one. This is one method. Another method is also there. I will teach that method also now. Please copy this. Same problem only in one more method we can solve. So I will show that problem also now. Please copy this. Method 2 will see, dear students. I hope all of you have copied. Fine. So because why I am solving this method also? Because you feel that in college our teacher has solved different. Maths Lagero is doing different. Fine. So that's why both the methods I will show. This is now I am solving according to the NCERT and even including what? College method, we can say this one. So before I had solved in our method. So now see, this also you see, which is, I am not saying my method is only good. So which you like, no, that method you can choose. So method 1 also I have shown, method 2. Both the methods will give the same answer, dear students. Don't worry about that. So now see here, how to solve this one. R is equal to 0 to pi by 2 as it is 2 log sin x. Now sin 2x is nothing but what? Just now I told 2 sin x into cos x, sin 2x. Will you agree or not? This one you see. Sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x into cos x. Clear? So now see, this is very interesting now. 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x. Now maximum students will get confused here. So can you remember this log a into b, how you used to write? Log a into b. Log a into b you used to write like this. Log a plus log b. In differentiation I had already told. Yes or no? So log a into b is what? Log a plus log b. So if it is log a into b into c, log a plus log b plus log c we will write, dear students. One more exercise. If it is log a b c d, log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. Got it? So now it is looking like log a into b into c. A is the 2, b is what? Sin x, c is nothing but cos x. A into b into c. Now apply this. So minus sign is belongs to each and everything. So that's why minus is kept outside. So log a is what, dear students? Log a is what? Log 2 plus b is what? Log sin x plus c is what? Log c will write or not? C is nothing but cos x into dx, dear students. Everyone clear? Log a into b into c is log a plus log b plus log c. Now see, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 2 into log sin x, minus into log 2, minus log 2, plus minus into plus, minus log sin x, minus into plus, minus log cos x into dx, dear students. I hope it is clear. So formula I will erase, dear students. You know this one very well. You have understood this. I hope. Clear? So I will erase this. So because we require space, you know, space is very less. So now see here how to solve this one. 0 to pi by 2. Now try to understand, dear students. 2 log sin x minus log sin x. 2 log sin x में एक log sin x गई तो कितना आता है? एक ही log sin x आएगा ना. See here. ಎರಡು log sin x ದೊಳಗ ಒಂದು log sin x ಹೋದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? What I am saying? In 2 log sin x, 1 log sin x गए तो कितना होता है? एक ही log sin x बचता है. You are left with only 1 log sin x. Yes. So minus log 2 as it is. Minus log cos x dx. Clear? Everyone understood this? So now see, integration you take inside. Integration of pi by 2 log sin x dx you take for this also. All I am separating. Minus integration 0 to pi by 2 log 2. Pi by 2 log 2 into dx. Dx also you take inside. Clear? So now see, plus into minus minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x into dx, dear students. Clear? So now see, so how to solve this one? You know King formula. King formula says what? Just we have discussed or not? A to b f of x plus into dx, integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. King formula says this only. Where x is there, no, you replace by what? A plus b minus x. Where x is there, no, there you have to replace by what? A plus b minus x. What is a now? Here you see. I will apply for this. 0 to pi by 2 log. Where x is there? Here, sin x. X you replace by what? A plus b minus x. A is what? 0. 0 plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Will you agree or not this one? Even Queen formula also you can apply. It is something similar. But because we are using King formula to respect King, so that's why we are using the formula. Don't get confused. Queen use किए तो भी आता है. Of course. So I think your favorite is Queen only, I feel. So 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus x. Got it? Sin 90 minus x. Why? Because Queen formula says what? X is replaced by a minus x. A is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Otherwise, a plus b minus x means a is 0. 0 plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Understood? Same only we have done. A log 2 is constant here. So log 2 you take out. Minus log 2 it will become minus log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. Nothing is there means 1 will remain here inside. Clear? Log 2 is taken outside. I mean nothing is there means 1 will remain. 1 into dx. Clear? So this I will write as this. So what is left now? I will write here minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x into dx. Many of the students will ask, sir, you have not applied any Queen formula also, King formula. Purposely we have not applied. Why you will understand. So now see, in upcoming step you will understand. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x, dear students. Cos x dx minus log 2 as is. Integration of 1 is x and intervals are 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x. Most probably you have understood. Sin 90 minus x is here cos x. Understood? Plus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos dx. Both will get cancelled or not? I hope you understood why I have not applied King and Queen formula there. Clear? To cancel this, dear students, both. First one and last one. That's why I have not applied. Got it? So now see here. What will happen? You understand here? So I is equal to minus, what you are left with? Minus log 2 and you have to substitute now. Upper limit pi by 2. When you are substituting 0, no, lower limit, you have to write minus sign, minus 0. How much you will get? Pi by 2 minus 0. Pi by 2. Pi by 2 into log 2 is minus pi by 2 log 2. Maximum students may ask this also. Minus they will take up. If nothing is there means minus 1 is there. Yes or no? They can take up also. Otherwise you can keep it like this also. So many of them will do like this. One more method I will show you. So here you see they will write some of the students or some of the teachers they will give like this. So b log a, this is a log a raised to b means what? B is nothing but here minus 1. They will write pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Clear? So now how much? Log 2 raised to minus 1 I can write it as 1 by 2. Yes or no? Pi into pi by 2 is as is. 2 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 2. Pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Pi by 2 log 1 by 2, dear students. Like this only you will get. And this is our required answer. So what you have solved now? Method 1 and this is method 2. Both are giving same answer, dear students. So which you like, you can apply. So I like both methods. So which you like, you choose the method. Fine. So both the methods I have taught you. I hope you are understanding. So please I request you, if you are understanding this video and liking, so please like and subscribe my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you my dear students. Fine. Please copy this.